o'clock in the morning, but it's Tahiti. Oh, that's a big plane.
It is a big plane. We go.
Excited?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm excited.
They had to wake him up just for our flight.
Yes, everything's in the I think he has my pick.
Thank you.
Thank you. Might have to drop it down. So look excited?
Yeah,
Excited.
I'm excited.
Feel like hermit right here.
Although I feel like I'm at a Disneyland ride with all these ropes. Update.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boat left without us. So we're gonna spend a night or two maybe at the Intercontinental.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Intercontinental is nice.
So we'll just have to rough it.
Yeah. Oh, darn.
Rough it at the Intercontinental.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fun. Like this. Standing in line at the Intercontinental. Waiting patiently. With everybody else. Not bad for being stuck somewhere. If you're gonna be stuck somewhere, I guess I could be stuck here. Toes going first.
This is what we need to be doing.
Yes. We just need to go back. Look, that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to spend the day, and there's a hot tub.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Where's the bar?
So we just had breakfast and a show, and now we're walking around the lagoon. What do they call it? The lagoonarium. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. I love those videos, bro.
So this is the Intercontinental in Papeete. We're in the infinity pool.
Cheers.
Air clink.
Air clink.
Oh, it is very light. Oh, so we're in the airport Papeete, and we're going to catch a plane to Fakarava, hopefully, and catch up with Paul Gauguin there.
Yeah.
Yay. Had a wonderful time in Tahiti, though.
Nice.
Yeah, even though we weren't supposed to be here.
7 flights.
7 flights. 7 flights to catch a boat.
And 8 days.
7 flights in 8 days. I wonder if that's some kind of record.
Okay.
Another leg of the journey. Plane number 7.